We rolled in here in the dark, so dark that you took us down off-roading, and I had to back us up. And what were you trying to say?
Don't make me upset.
Oh, snap.
Well,
Listen to me, you.
Look at him. Look at him. How is this not old?
Get out there and do some work.
I have other things to do. Excuse me.
What? Excuse me? You see that? Excuse me?
You told me to do them.
That's right, I did want you to comb
Too
your hair.
busy for me.
Can I cut your hair? Please?
Not now.
We got scissors.
No? All right, John, let's head outside.
Yeah, let's go.
Why are you still carrying your walking stick?
I like this thing.
You threatening me? I'm from Brooklyn, you know.
You can't fight the walking stick.
I fought much more than that living in New York City all my life.
All right. And what do we have for levels? We're good.
Just want to check our
Everything's
levelers and
secure.
stuff and make sure that we didn't like roll up on anything, kill any animals. I don't
No,
know.
you didn't kill any animals.
Can we check our levelers and our jacks? I mean, and just make sure that there's nothing. I'm gonna take that stick from you.
This is good for pointing. It's good for walking. It's good for doing this.
Don't laugh. You're not too far away from that.
You know what? I've had it.
I won't say your age on camera.
All right, that's secure.
But you got a good number of years on me.
It's high. This thing just drops off. I'm glad we didn't go back too far. We would have been one of those Facebook memes.
Oh, going. Well, that's because you had me standing behind it. So if you went back too far, you would have
would've
run me
run
over
over
and
you.
we'd be in the hospital right now.
That's right, we wouldn't be here. All right, so power cable's good. Power's clean. Water's hooked up. Our pressure is good. And no leaks. Yeah, everything's good. Did well for not being able to see anything.
Totally dark.
Oh my gosh, it was dark. All right. Yeah, everything's secure on this side too. So since I'm here, you know what?
Oh, and we lucked out and got some free water on the way, didn't we?
Oh my gosh. Those
Cases
big,
of
huge
free water.
bottles of Avion? What was that about?
Yeah, some guy behind in the pilot behind the
Yeah.
store he had a pilot name tag on.
Yeah, he did. He had a pilot shirt.
And he had a pilot shirt, but he was giving away cases of free water.
Big giant Avion bottles. He gave us 3 cases of big giant Avion bottles. So I don't know.
We have enough water to last us for a few trips.
I know. I'm gonna find my. Where did I put my key? I thought I had my key right here in this pocket.
What are we doing?
I wanted to open the generator up and check.
Oh.
They're taking my key.
I'm not gonna give it to you.
Oh. Give me my key.
Nope. Okay, you see it, YouTube. You see it. You see it. You want this?
You know what?
You looking for these?
I quit.
Here
I'm
you
going
go.
inside where it's cool. It's too hot for this. We're probably disturbing people.
It's late.
Oh, they've left.
Don't we have to check under here? Did you check?
For what? Oh, you wanted to check those? Those went down fine. Those were perfect.
They were. I'm still worried about that back one. Oh.
Why?
Come look with me. Come with
Yes.
me.
What?
That jack doesn't have ground to be on.
No, it doesn't matter where you put it. We were back further when it was flat, and it still didn't go down properly.
No, I don't mean that though, but that's why we're shaking so much. These are on. I don't think this is a good thing, John.
All right, we can move again. Wow, he's off the right edge of the road, the left edge.
He really likes his walking stick. All right, putting the slides out.
There's some things I don't like.
RV resort
Gum.
without taking a hike
You missed the gum.
up Stone Mountain. Please, someone tell me why.
Look at the grid. You can't have a mountaintop in the eastern U.S. without Virginia pine.
We made it. Any comments, guys?
I don't think I'm here. Am I here? Okay.
Boy, you really did get a bit dehydrated on the way up.
Yeah.
How easy was it, John?
Well, it depends. I don't spend that much time in this humidity.
Show us your shirt, John.
No.
Come on, John.
Fine, man.
Let me zoom in.
Show us your shirt. He's dry as
He's
bone.
dry as
No, I am
bone.
not dry. I will tell you
That's
that.
youth
I am
versus
not-
us.
I am not dry.
No?
No.
So it was a little bit of a challenge for you too?
Not a challenge. It's just hot. I mean, he
Gotcha.
would rather, but
Was it worth it?
Every penny.
It was free, John.
Exactly.
John! Justin, was the view worth it?
yes.
Thank you, Jay.
Here, I'll poke my father for you.
Thank you. I'm so glad you're here to keep him in line for me. Do you guys want to walk around some more?
Yeah, let's take a look on the other side.
You guys want to take the easy way down?